So welcome back, and of course with me is Chef Julius. So Chef, anong gagawin natin ngayon?
Today, gumawa tayo ng AMPALAYA-SINAW SINAW shake.
AMPALAYA-SINAW SINAW shake. Possible yan?
Possible yan.
Possible yan. So let's start. We have your ampalaya. Ask ko, Chef, paano natin natanggal yung bitterness ng ampalaya?
Nilagyan natin ng rock salt,
Okay.
tapos pigat, tapos
Binalawan.
naman, tapos rock salt naman.
So hanggang sa mawala
Hanggang mawala na yung
bitterness niya. We have your blender. Ampalaya. And then, we're going to add, of course, para mag-balance yung taste niya, we're going to add fresh pineapple. If you don't have fresh pineapple, you can substitute it with other tropical fruits. Okay, then we also have some pineapple juice. This is concentrated pineapple juice. Then, of course, yung ating
sinaw-sinaw.
sinaw-sinaw. Sinaw-sinaw is locally grown. Nakikita nyo lang yan
Sa
kung saan. And sinaw-sinaw, nakakatulong yan sa mga tao, lalo-lalo na sa may mga arthritis. If you want, you can also add moringa at this point. Pero pakita natin yung versatility ng ibang mga local herbs. Then, of course, honey, sweetener. Depends on your preference. You can use white sugar, brown sugar, or yung mga stevia, even stevia. Then, ating water. You can add a bit of water. Okay? And then, of course, para maging refreshing siya, lagyan natin na So yun na, na-shake na yung ating ampalaya-sinaw shake. So there you have it, our ampalaya-sinaw shake. From all of us here at Waterfront,
Stay home, stay safe.
God bless. Chef, tingnan natin.
Sige.